Alright, so let cúg punca trí táid basically breanúid Infheistiu. So mar hápa beidir gur bhfuil current account atsa agus tá tú your savings account oscail suas agus tá tú le €100 chud on current account and savings account chuile bhí. So share the haulings that tugan an savings account tugan se úschuit, so it gives you a little bit of interest every month, and you add €300 every single month, so it goes from your current account to your savings account. So what that kind of looks like is Nor Hussin with Jamach will have €300, which will be P, and then say the bank gives you like 3% interest. Now they wouldn't give you that much, but also more humble. So it would be TK for Heen Moja T from Gate, so Heen Punkanodja T, and the time is Heen because it's been 1 month. So you'll just start off with that, and that'll be your A. So you'll always start out with your principal, which will be a major article that you are gonna transfer into your savings account, multiplied by 1 plus the interest. And then gach me, you're obviously adding to that. So the second month you have another €300, but you also have the interest from the second one. So that's P for Heen Moja I Moja Do. I would say we do that for 3 years. Well, then we keep adding every month, so it's like a geometric series. So if I can go, it all adds up because we're adding every month, and we're also getting interest every month. So by the end we have 36, and it's 36 we've added on each time. So that looks like a geometric series. So Shittumers not done on that, we can actually usage on the formula shot that we used when we were doing sequences in series. So Sn we become like A for Heen Luja R for N. R will be the rate, agus N will only be on amount of terms. So 36 in this case, which is 36 months. So this is a formula Thomas le usage and show. Okay, so basically what we're doing is we're just saving money, and we're getting interest on it each time. So we'll just sample out how to use this. So Katrina €100 or so raha for chug or so raha, that means once every quarter, so that's every 3 months for chug vlian, getting 0.9% interest gachor. So the first thing we have to do is we want to represent that as a geometric series. So we'll go Hed, which is another Hussin Chilesh, made the fa Heen Punkanoj and Noj and Noi. So we changed the 0.9% into a decimal. Now that's to the power 1. We don't have to write down to the power 1, but we will. Moja, sorry, by arms of zoom, I'll mark now for a second. Moja Hed reached because she's adding in another 400 after another 3 months. Made the fa Heen Punkanoj and Noi reached. The rate doesn't change. Sorry, Noj and Noi. And that's going to be squared in Orsha. Alright, now I'm going to zoom Stacharish, and this will keep on going. Belcharfad Suskaji, it says Chug Vlian, so there are 20 quarters in 5 years. So this will go up Guji Arish. She's still adding Hed, Stachfa Heen, Punkanoj, and Noi to the power 20. Alright, and what we've done is we've added Chulichion Kapshin sauce. So we've added the 20 different ruddy sauce. Obviously, we don't want to physically put that into the calculator, so we use our formula Sn Kormla A for Heen Luja R to the power of N, all those keen Heen Luja R being on Rata Sahasha. Now, Bay A we already know is 400 for Heen Punkanoj and Noi. R will be currently Heen Punkanoj and Noi. Agus Bay N just currently Fihe because it's 20 months. Alright, so swap all with the Chinishtas formula. So we'll go Hed for Heen Punkanoj and Noi for Heen Luja Hín lúide hín brón am ríis go zoom amach. Punca náid to the power 20. Álas cín hín lúide hín punca náid. Now, no tra chuir das an ábhaint te beg an awkward ar dáhums anyway. Ca tú a seo a dhéanana sorry brón am ríis to chin. Call move back. Ca tú a seo dhéanana dús. So I'd calculate this a dús, then hín lúide a seo, agus then a sin méid a fá a sin. So dhéanana a seo a dús, a seo over the dó, a seo over the trí, agus a seo over the cat. Now, beidir an leibre amach déifreacht bra an ábhaintad. Ach, nuair mu sin ar fád, das an ábhaint go muid 8,000, 800 agus 8 cent. So now sin an méid aige rástú ar deire. Ga bhíoh sé dart civéid ús a bhí fórsí. So an ús would be, well, major havel she was €100 made the fa fihe, which is 8,000. So then comes an 8,000 vancha sho. So we much 800 agus 8 cent would be a major ús a fórsí. So German 8,000 800 8 cent lúide seo, which is currently 8.89. So that's the interest she's earned on top of the 400 that she saved every month, whereas Hussein Shaw is the total amount that she saved. Alright. Ámanta summer hopla ceist dó cúpa sí chamid bheith beg an cuamach feictú seo dearnsead cuaid siad a tuairt ceir fan géad in 9 bliana. So chamid a sinne ebrúmach go dtí rud mísúil, because she's saving €30 again every month. Alright, so chuna sinne antá 1.9 cad go dtí cúcht a dóig will be chom le Cama a sin a chuirsteach má ábhain, be sé sin chom le 1.9 a náid a trí a dó a seacht, so sé sin chom le 3.3 fan géad sa mí. Agus then Jill Madrid can see how much the sample journal. We'll just throw that in. Alright.